His Excellency, the President Emmerson Mnangagwa's remarks at the 389th Politburo. Zarapera mashoko obuda chayalaitwa nemutungamiri wenyika aiwa in the yesterday Politburo. Panguva ino yatona kuti as the year is coming to an end and it is also the last Politburo yegore rino, mutungamiri wenyika oaddressa on some specific issues. Zarapera mashoko obuda nyoko panguva ino. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibile pa endo ZNPF pamchete na endo yemaswana obuda nyora chiti. His Excellency President Mnangagwa paid tribute to Archbishop Paul Masha, leader of the African Apostolic Church, who was declared a national hero. The 389th Politburo session marks the final party meeting of 2025, alongside upcoming Central Committee and the National Consultative Assembly gatherings. Unity within ZNPF and the nation enabled resilience against challenges and achievement of significant milestones across the economy and society. Successful completion of NDS-1 and the launch of NDS-2 were highlighted as possible as people-driven achievements. The 22nd National People's Conference strengthened party unity and shaped the 2026 national budget in line with the resolutions. President Mnangagwa emphasized ailing party mobilization and communication with the NDS-2 to drive economic growth and improve citizens' quality of life. Strategic workshops for the Politburo and Central Committee were recommended for recalibrating leadership roles in a dynamic environment. The party is urged to adapt to contemporary issues such as ICTs and artificial intelligence while upholding liberation ethos and discipline. Economic growth was reported, driven by agriculture, mining, manufacturing, tourism, construction, infrastructure, and diaspora remittances. Engagements with regional neighbors, Zambia, Mozambique, and bi-national commissions pressed for fostering cooperation, integration, and prosperity, while vigilance against counter-revolutionaries was stressed. Tomashuka notoko panguva ino awane mutungamiri wenyika yabudza mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Songa no subscribe or like onchete nokutana on the bell icon.